Alright, welcome to another Tartan Tarantulas unboxing video. This time I've got two pokies, so let's get the box opened up, see if they're alright. So here we've got the packing peanuts and the two tubs, see if they're okay. I'm assuming this is the pea smithy. I'm hoping it doesn't run straight out. There it is. Oh yeah, it's definitely alive. Oofed. Get a close up of that in a second. Alright, next up is the pea smithy. I'm sure that's what it is anyway. Although, no guarantees. Right, we'll get some close-ups now. I believe this is the pea smithy that you're seeing right here. It's looking pretty cool. It's alive and well. I'll get the piece of Subfusca up next. Here is the piece of Subfusca. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing that wrong. It's lovely looking, it's awesome. I'll get some nice pictures, but cheers Staney. Perfect service as always. Cannot recommend them enough, honestly. If you're looking for tarantulas, you go to this guy. Right, cheers.